Hey, it's Annie with your latest tech update. You have a LinkedIn profile, right? You may soon be asked to verify your account. The business networking platform's taking action to deal with a flood of fake profiles. These convincing-looking accounts are being used to spam other people, tricking them into downloading malware or revealing personal data. LinkedIn's owned by Microsoft. It's working with secure identity platform Clear to introduce a new verification program. Once you've provided evidence of your identity, such as government-issued ID, you'll get a verification mark next to your name. Just like the ones you see on Twitter, except you won't have to pay for these. The program's launching with a test group in the US, and we're expecting a wider rollout soon. We'll bring you more news when we hear it. In the meantime, if you need any help keeping all your accounts secure, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.